The SUA population is the count of residents within the significant urban area. Most significant urban areas are cities. There are about 100 SUAs around Australia. They're defined by the Australian Bureau of Statistics. The largest SUA at the time of recording is Melbourne. To be an SUA, you need a minimum population of 10,000 people. Not all suburbs in Australia are within SUAs. There are thousands of suburbs classified as not being within any SUA. These are remote areas. An SUA is a safer place to invest because it has a more diversified economy than a remote regional suburb. But some SUAs are so small, their economies may not be diverse enough. Even very large SUAs like Perth can be heavily influenced by changes in a single industry like resources. The population of an SUA is not directly used in the demand to supply ratio, but it may be important for investors wanting to restrict their search to cities with more diverse economies.